Hello, it's Sunday the 5th of May 2024 and this is the pound USD you can see on a 4-hour chart. Now the 4-hour chart is great for swing traders because you don't have to look at the chart very often, only once every 4 hours. So if you're working or you've got a job or you can't spend too much time at charts, then this is an ideal time frame for you to trade on. So what are the conditions that I'm waiting for in order to get into a trade? Well, historically, if we look back, you can see that we had aqua candle here, aqua candles here, aqua candles here, and this is a liquidity level up here. Guess what? I'm expecting aqua candles. Also, if you're looking for a turn, you want to see the liquidity histogram at a previous level where the market turned. So that's a previous level, so I'd mark that level there. I'd mark this level here because of course that being a previous level is likely to provoke a turn when we get back there. We've got this level which is a little bit all over the place, so I'm just going to leave the bars there, and you've got this level which is this low which I've just run a black line from. So we know that when this histogram hits this level, we should expect a turn and we will probably get an aqua and blue candle. And that's all I'm waiting for. So once I see those conditions are met, I know that I can take a trade. So the next question is where do I put my stop and where do I put my take profit? Well, I want my take profit to be down here at this aqua bar, and I've put a line on the top of it there because that was the highest level of liquidity, so it's likely that the market makers will go back there. So that's my take profit area. And where do I put my stop? Well, once I've got the formation of an aqua bar at or around this level, I'm going to put my stop just above here. Why? Because if we're in a downtrend, I wouldn't expect them to take out the previous top, and that's exactly why I put my stop up here. So if we look at the dynamics of this trade, let's say we get an aqua bar forming, let's say there for, argument's sake, put the stop above there. It's about a 42 pip stop, and that's about a 300 point target down there. So that's a very good trade. You're going to make money on that, and if you just stick to trades like this, you will fill up your account really quickly. Well, please like and subscribe. If you want to come on the Discord server, please look at the link below. We've got a great community of people and I post my analysis there every day. Thanks for watching the video, appreciate it, and don't forget to like.